Although cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, have been relatively quiet this week, the market saw some life today as prominent cryptocurrencies saw impressive daily growth, such as Chainlink, which pumped 14%, bringing the token to all-time high prices as it currently is roaming in the price discovery zone. But taking a look at the impressive movers on the weekly, we have Cardano with a 25% increase following its Shelly upgrade. We also have Kyber Network with 41% as Kyber DAO plans to launch July 7th. Lastly, in this week's largest gainer, we have VeChain with an impressive 70% gain following an announcement that they will have a keynote at the World AI Conference with other corporate figures such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Alibaba. In other news, the price of Bitcoin has been oscillating in the narrow range between $8,900 and $9,300 last week, ending with a loss of negative 0.62%. with its 1 month realized volatility reaching a new low of 35%. Bitcoin's hash rate continued to rise, posting a 6% increase this week, reaching a new all-time high of over 123 exahashes per second. The massive fiscal and monetary stimulus helped stock markets and gold, with Bitcoin leading the rally by 42.2% in returns. However, it is worth noting that Bitcoin showed a gradual trend of diminishing returns in the second quarter. A 34.4% increase in April, a 34.4% increase also in May, and a 9.5% increase in June. In April, however, Bitcoin was mainly stimulated by the third halving, when it rose as much as 23% in the last 2 days of the month. On the other hand, while Bitcoin struggled to break past the $10,000 mark, the Nasdaq had returned to all-time highs after posting a quarterly return of 30%. And the S&P 500 surged 20%, its biggest quarterly gain since quarter 4 of 1998. Overall, it is becoming clear that the market's early forecast for the quarter was overly pessimistic, and the recovery is likely to extend during the later half of 2020. Thank you as always for tuning into your weekly crypto update. I'm your host Ryan Rotolo, and I'll catch you in the next.